Think your passwords in 2FA are safe? Meet Salty 2FA, a phishing kit so slick it completely bypasses MFA. Salty 2FA is phishing-as-a-service that clones login pages, rotates subdomains, and even simulates MFA methods like SMS, authenticator apps, push notifications, and hardware tokens, making phishing feel real. It's slick, targeted, and leaking logins across industries. Here's how to protect yourself from this next-gen scam. Ditch SMS and app-based 2FA for passkeys or hardware keys, FIDO2 or WebAuthn. Salty 2FA can't simulate that. Train your instincts. Don't trust a login link via email. Always type the URL yourself. Use adaptive defenses. If available, enable behavioral monitoring and phishing-resistant authentication in your account settings. Watch for weird MFA flows. If your 2FA page looks off or your token doesn't work, pause and verify. Don't proceed. In Phishing 2.0, traditional MFA isn't a shield, it's a facade. Use FIDO2 or Passkeys. Stay alert and authenticate only on trusted sites. Keep your guard high and your logins locked. Stay smoked in, not fished out.